Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this one. So we need to multiply by 1 over cosine x squared on numerator and denominator. So this one multiply by this one and tan x squared. Now we have the formula in here. So this one that is about secant of x squared. This one that is about tan x squared. This one that is about this one. So tan x squared multiplied by this one and number 1. So tan x squared, we have number 2. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put tan x into u. Later that we can do first derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of x squared dx. So this one that is about 2u squared. This one that is about u to the power of 4. This one we change for du. So we can do about factorization by u squared. Next, we put number 2 on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to add about u squared. Later that we need to minus about u squared in here. So this one divide by this one, and u squared divide by u squared. So the integration of this one that is about negative 1 over u. The integration of this one, we know that number 2 that is about the square root of number 2 to the power of 2. So this one we have 1 over the square root of number 2 tan of u over the square root of number 2. About u, that is about tan x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.